World's highest five-star hotel. The JW Marriott Marquis Hotel in Dubai is not just a hotel. Rather, it is a monumental accomplishment that blends height, luxury, and imaginative design in order to change hospitality on a global scale. The hotel is located in Dubai. In addition to being the tallest five-star hotel in the world, which stands at an astounding height of 355 meters, 1,165 feet, it also serves as a symbol of Dubai's goal to establish new benchmarks in terms of architectural and elegant design. This spectacular twin tower structure, which is located on the famed Sheikh Zayed Road, dominates the skyline of the city and affords amazing views of some of Dubai's most iconic landmarks, such as the Burj Khalifa, the Dubai Mall, and the Dubai Water Canal. It is also the tallest building in Dubai. Whether they are going to be attending high-profile corporate events or enjoying the colorful culture of the city, travelers will find it to be an excellent base of operations due to its placement in the center of the bustling business sector. If we were to declare that the JW Marriott Marquis is a masterpiece of contemporary architecture, we would be completely understating the situation. It was Arch Group consultants that came up with the concept for the Twin Towers, and they drew their inspiration from the graceful curve of the date palm tree, which has been a symbol of expansion and success in Emirati culture for a very long time. A blend of artistic elegance and cutting-edge engineering was used in the construction, at the same time as it was built to survive the harsh conditions of the desert environment. It was also designed to produce a visual spectacular that mixes in nicely with the future cityscape of Dubai. This incredible architectural effort is made of 72 floors in each tower, and it has 1,608 gorgeous rooms and suites that are designed to accommodate the different requirements of tourists from all over the world. The aforementioned achievement is a wonderful architectural achievement. Guests are greeted by a spectacular lobby upon their arrival at the hotel, which sets the stage for the grandeur that will be present throughout their entire stay at the establishment. The rooms and suites have been designed with expansive floor plans, windows that span from floor to ceiling, and spectacular views of either the bustling city skyline or the calm Dubai Water Canal. This was done in order to radiate an air of luxury and comfort. High-end materials, such as marble that has been polished and wood finishes that are exceptionally rich, are used to enrich the interiors of the building. Additionally, sophisticated color palettes and furnishings that are built to order are also utilized. Cutting-edge technology, which includes climate control and lighting systems that are simple to operate, is another factor that contributes to the seamless experience. The result is that each and every stay is guaranteed to be luxurious in addition to being comfortable. Each of the accommodations, which range from trendy luxury rooms to lavish penthouse suites, provides a tranquil haven for relaxation, and there is a vast range of options available to choose from. There is no other word to describe the exceptional quality of the dining experiences that are available at the JW Marriott Marquis. They offer a journey that is unparalleled in its scope, taking travelers through some of the most delicious cuisines that the globe has to offer. It is possible to satisfy each and every taste at the hotel, which is home to 15 restaurants, pubs, and lounges that have obtained honors for their culinary excellence. At Prime 68, guests may enjoy a refined steakhouse experience, and at Vault, a fashionable rooftop bar that offers panoramic views of Dubai's sparkling metropolis. They can sample drinks that have been expertly crafted. In the restaurant Rang Mahal, guests can indulge in the bold and inventive flavors of contemporary Indian cuisine, or they can treat themselves to a refined steakhouse experience at Prime 68. Both restaurants are located in the same building. Individuals who are seeking for a more laid-back ambiance will find that La Farine's lovely French-inspired bistro experience, which includes food that is created from scratch and a nice atmosphere, is excellent for them. Each business offers a dining experience that is raised to the level of an art form. These establishments have been meticulously designed to provide not only a meal, but also a gastronomic journey that will be unforgettable. It is abundantly evident that the hotel is committed to wellness and relaxation, as seen by the world-class facilities that are offered to guests. The Sarai Spa is a serene retreat that is influenced by the traditions of the Middle East. It offers a variety of therapies that are intended to revive both the body and the mind. The JW Marriott Marquis offers an unrivaled assortment of facilities that are designed to handle a wide variety of events, ranging from small-scale get-togethers to large-scale conventions. These facilities are meant to suit individuals who are traveling for business, as well as those who are planning events. The hotel offers a variety of event space that spans over 8,000 square meters and is available for use. This area features spacious ballrooms, sophisticated conference spaces, and outdoor settings that offer spectacular views of the surrounding landscape. The dedicated events crew ensures that every event, from extravagant weddings to business gatherings, is carried out with the highest precision and refinement throughout the whole process. This includes ensuring that every event is carried out with the utmost precision. The fact that the hotel is able to create a perfect environment for every occasion by combining cutting-edge technology with opulent surroundings contributes to the hotel's status as a renowned venue in the region, due to the fact that it is able to create an ideal setting. The hotel's dedication to giving its guests with an experience that not only surpasses their expectations, but also creates an impact that stays with them for the rest of their lives is reflected in each and every accolade that it earns. During your stay at the JW Marriott Marquis, you will have an experience that is marked by the presence of a harmonious blend of grandeur and personalized care. This will be the case both during your stay and throughout your stay. As soon as they step through its doors, guests are immediately immersed in an atmosphere that exudes sophistication and friendliness. Each and every component has been meticulously developed in order to produce moments that will be remembered for the rest of one's life. In addition to the conventional notion of hospitality, the hotel offers a whole experience that goes beyond typical hospitality. This is something that can be enjoyed in a multitude of ways, such as sitting back and resting in the hotel's luxurious spa, dining at the hotel's restaurants that are among the best in the world, or taking in the spectacular views from the rooftop. The JW Marriott Marquis Hotel in Dubai is a dazzling example of contemporary elegance and innovation, and it reflects the spirit of a city that is continually seeking to burst past barriers. The hotel is located in Dubai. It is not just a place to stay, rather, it is a destination in and of itself, offering an extraordinary blend of architectural splendor, outstanding service, and an air of refinement that seems to transcend the passage of time. A vital landmark in the heart of one of the most dynamic cities in the world, the JW Marriott Marquis is a perfect location for tourists who are looking for the finest possible level of hospitality. The hotel is located in the heart of the city. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.